How to fix World app not working. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the World app if it's not working. So if it won't open, keeps freezing or crashes, just follow along step by step to get it running again. Alright, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, toggle it off and back on, or switch over to mobile data to see if that helps. Weak signals often cause apps to misbehave. If you're on Wi-Fi, restarting your router can also clear small glitches. Next, make sure your World app is updated. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for World app, and if you see an update button, tap it. If not, you're already on the latest version. Updating helps remove bugs and gives you the newest features. Now let's clear the app cache. On Android, open Settings, scroll down to Apps or Apps and Notifications, then tap Manage Apps and find World app in the list of installed apps. You can scroll or just use the search bar to find it faster. Tap it, then go to Storage and Cache. Here, tap Clear Cache, then Confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It just resets the app's saved data on your phone. On iPhone, since you can't clear cache directly, you'll need to offload or uninstall the app, then reinstall it. Before doing that, make sure your recovery info is backed up so you don't lose access. Finally, check your phone's operating system. The World app requires at least iOS 14.1 or Android 6.0. Go into your settings, look for any software updates, and install them. Running an outdated system can cause apps to crash or not load at all. And that's it. While there isn't a single reset button for the World app, these steps are the best way to fix most issues and get it working smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future quick guides.